So in here, I am in Postgres CDBC driver documentation, and you can see Postgres CDBC driver allow Java program to connect to a Postgres database using standard database independent server code and so down. So you can see this is a simple query of using statement and resource set, and you need to type the query very specific in here, but because we using Data GPA dependency, so we don't need to create a statement like this. Let's go to the Data GPA. Data GPA is a part of Data family, and on the left hand side, you can see it has CDBC, LDAP, MongoDB, Redis, or Elasticsearch in here. And it's made easy to implement CBA, stand for Java Persistent API, repositories, and it's made easy to build sync-powered application that use data asset technology. And you can see you can even use custom finder or query by symbol, and Sync will write the query for you. And basically, when we using Data GPA, it will map our model into the database, and also it's auto generate the SQL query for us based on the method name when we element CPA repository, which I will show to you later on. So Data GPA is very powerful. Go back to IntelliJ, open the pom.xml file, and under starter web dependency. So to add the dependency, you can go to string initializer and to Maven, and then click on add dependency and type Postgres driver in here. And the second one is string data GPA. Click on explore, and now simply do copy the dependency in here. Go back to the IntelliJ and paste it in here, and then reload again. So whenever you have change in the POM XML, you need to reload the Maven project to get the update. So okay, cool. Now we have the Postgres database is running, and also we already add Postgres CDBC driver and Data CPA dependency in our application. And the third one we need to do is need to have data source configuration within our application in here. Next, let's go to data source configuration to perform the connection to our database.